So it's like this, auto update. And we can also go to graphs and untick everything. Yeah, you already understand this one, right? But the one thing that I want to show you is the tracer. First, let's go to tracers here, untick everything. First, injector one. Injector one, you can expand this one and show the tracer water one injection rate. This one. Of course, injector one, inject tracer one. But injector one doesn't inject tracer 34. That's why the value is 0. On the same way, okay, on the same way, if you go to injector 34, this will only inject tracer 34, right? Injector 34 only inject tracer 34. Injector 34 only inject tracer 34. But regarding breakthrough, now we move to producer. Producer 3. Producer 3 will produce water or tracer 1 as much as this. This is the profile. And so you can see that this is the breakthrough time that tracer 1 has broken through to producer 3. So this is the breakthrough time. And what about tracer 34? This one. Okay. And you can change the coloring here. Right click, graph preference. You can switch it to, for example, purple maybe, if you want, just for example. Okay. So this is the tracer 34 and tracer 1. Okay. And producer 27. Producer 27 is located close to producer or injector 34, but this one in producer 27, but it's far away from injector 1. So that's why you cannot see, or you see the tracer 1 is 0 because the tracer 1 has not broken through to the producer 27. Okay, so that's very easy. And if you go to files, you can see now we have user file. This user file is produced because we use the tracer in the graphical interface. So if you open this one,